In today's video, I'll show you how to change your voice on WhatsApp, whether you want to sound funny, robotic, deep, or completely different. First, open your Play Store or App Store and search for a voice changer app. Once installed, open the app and allow microphone permissions. Now, tap on the record button and say whatever message you want to send on WhatsApp. After recording, you'll see a list of voice effects like robot, chipmunk, deep voice, echo, male, female, and more. Choose the one you like best. You can preview it instantly. When you're happy with how it sounds, tap Save or Share. Now, open WhatsApp. Go to the chat where you want to send your message. Tap the attachment icon audio, choose File.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And that's how you can easily change your voice on WhatsApp. And select the edited voice you just saved. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.